welcome back to my channel Likhitha S. Welcome to my another video, and this video it's completely about my unboxing MOSCHINO Belt which I ordered through Luisaviaroma. I was just thinking I often buy some new things and I just wanted to try different things, so I thought why not I'll even film this. I even wanted you guys to see what I buy and even give my honest reviews about like how the product is, would I suggest it or not. So let's see guys. I was actually waiting to buy this MOSCHINO belt from so long, but I would say like I was not ready to put that money on a belt, which is, I know whether if I buy a Gucci belt or any other belt I would use it, but I was not sure whether I would use this MOSCHINO belt. But coming to this belt, this is kind of a bold MOSCHINO belt, which is like I was not ready to buy this just because I was not ready whether I would wear some boldy thing on my outfits. But then I thought no, I would actually just want something which enhances my outfits, even though it's a simple top or simple dress or something. So I finally bought it, but I don't know how it actually looks like. So let's see guys, and I'm so excited to open this with you guys. So without any further ado, let's do unboxing of my MOSCHINO belt. I'm so in love with this belt guys. It's so bold and like these letters are not movable, so which is actually good. And it even got these so many sockets just in case if we need anything. So that was my unboxing guys. I really love the belt and how it actually enhances my overall look of anything. If you really want me to do more unboxing videos of whatever I buy, please let me know. I would love to do unboxing with you, and I'm so excited just because I love the feeling of getting new things and opening it up and just to see how it actually adds up to my happiness. So finally that's it guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.